The SunSare X7A is an impressive cordless vacuum cleaner that ensures that your vacuum is always ready for use, eliminating the worry of forgetting to charge it. Overall, the SunSare X7A is a remarkable cordless vacuum cleaner that combines power, versatility, and convenience. With its impressive suction, extended runtime, smart touch display, and efficient filtration, it offers a superior cleaning experience. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or other surfaces, the X7A is a reliable and effective choice, making it one of the best cordless vacuum cleaners on the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.